All right. So we're here to present what we made this weekend, and we were thinking about how one of the greatest barriers to environmental engagement is apathy, and how we could engage people with their environment and get them excited about local open spaces and organizations working to protect them. So we decided to do that with something called Parkemon Grow. And the way it works is ideally, a team of volunteers would place park pins in parks, community gardens, and public spaces that could use some love. And so we have a little picture of the device here, which we'll show you in more detail later. And each pin has a temperature and humidity sensor, as well as a button that triggers an LED screen. So, for example, 3 local environmental nonprofits might be the teams for the app, and then there would be a funding sponsor that would donate money that one of the teams would win at the end of the game period. Individual players are also encouraged to make micro contributions, and then when players sign up for the app, they join one of the nonprofit teams based on the cause most interesting to them. So players can view a map which displays the locations of all the pins, as well as current temperature and humidity at the pin site. And they can also see which team is currently in possession of the pin or that park, so whichever team had the most recent visitor. To earn points, you have to go to the park, the site of the pin, and find it, then press a button on the device itself, which displays a code on the LED screen, and which you then enter in the app and in order to receive points for your team. So to receive additional points, if you're taking this park from another team. And then at the end of the month, the sponsor makes a contribution to the nonprofit whose team has the most points. So this is awesome because it gets people outside and engaged with public spaces, increases awareness of microclimates, what's going on in little different parts of your city, and if you want to do something like guerrilla gardening, you know, like if it's really hot and dry there, if you should go water it, and also raises money for environmental nonprofits. So let's do a quick demo of what we have going on. Okay. Yeah, so just going to take a moment. All right, so we've had our little device over some ice water so that you'll be able to see a change. Oh, you know, okay, so,
Yeah.
oh, we actually don't, you know, right.
So it's over some ice right now, and we're about to move it over a cup of hot water.
Just so you can see the change more quickly
We have a front end.
on our app. Yeah. Okay, we have a prototype for our app. Okay. Right. Okay.
And now if we move those temperatures and humidities, it will change once.
Let's see.
What is it currently at with humidity?
29. Let's see if it's going to update. Sometimes the sensor takes a moment. All right, so you can see that the values are changing.
35.